I look at you, and I think, if it wouldn't be wrong, I would like to make love with you on a pool table.
It wouldn't be wrong if you'd let me handcuff you to the pockets.
You could do that.
What I think about is I'd like to have sex with you in the parking lot behind the Exxon station near that diner on Malibu Highway. You know the one?
Near the road up in that canyon?
That's the one.
Well, that would be pretty public.
I'd like to have the whole world see you want me so much you can't wait. I'd like to have the whole world see you're not ashamed of me.
Why would I be ashamed of you?
Well, I feel ashamed of myself.
Well, for what reason?
Who knows? Every 15 minutes I feel ashamed of myself at least once. And humiliated. For no reason, but it just comes back to me over and over again. Do you ever feel that way?
Every 15 minutes I feel worried.
Do you feel you want to hurt someone?
No.
Do you feel you want to get even?
No.
That's good. Do you feel you want to fight something?
I don't think so. Well, maybe I feel that.
Do you feel you want to take off all your clothes?
No, I don't usually feel that.
Do you feel you want more money?
Well, sure, everybody feels that.
Lunch is served!